Hey guys, welcome back to Nirvana. Today's pursuit to paradise takes us to the Waves Penthouse in Tower Isle, St. Mary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, there's an elevator on the property, and the penthouse is obviously on the highest floor. It features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a kitchen, living area, and a large balcony overlooking the community pool and ocean. So as you can see, the penthouse views did not disappoint. So the views are first up today because wow. So beautiful. I mean, water as far as your eyes can see. And when I said a large balcony, I meant it. First of all, I love the open floor plan here. Everything is merged just perfectly to create one large entertaining space. Next up, we have the kitchen. So we spent a lot of time in here and it had everything we could have needed and more. From kitchen appliances, cooking bowls and containers, plates and glassware, pots and pans, spices, utensils, and just so much more. On the kitchen island, we were greeted with handwritten notes, a welcome booklet, sanitizer, lots of games, and snacks, which we found to be a very nice touch. Then we have this beautiful living area. So there's a TV, magazines, lots of seating, and breathtaking views, of course. Then just off the living room is the master bedroom. Look at this personalized welcome on the bed. It was such a pleasant surprise. It says, "Welcome to the waves, Nia. Relax, enjoy, one love." And then plus the towel swans and petals. I mean, so sweet. So the master bedroom definitely offers beautiful ocean views as well. And then on the other side of the room, we have a small chair and a closet with towels, extra blankets, an iron, and ironing board. Next up, the ensuite bathroom with double sinks and a large shower. Shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and a blow dryer were also included. One thing I really loved about the layout was the fact that even though there's only 1 bathroom, it gives the effect of an ensuite for the master bedroom. Here you can see where the bathroom connects to the rest of the house, so it also serves as a powder room for guests or as a bathroom for the second bedroom. Here we have 2 single beds. And then views from this room as well. Speaking of views, take a look at this one. Absolutely gorgeous. And then just by the pool, there's a bathroom and a bar area. So like I said, water as far as your eyes can see. Here are the steps leading into the ocean. I'll get back to that in just a second. If you look up, you can see my husband waving down a storm to show you guys where the penthouse is. As promised, a close-up of these stone steps, and it looks like someone had fun. And that's a wrap. I want to say a big thank you to the owner of the Waves Penthouse, who was gracious enough to invite me to her property. It was, as you guys saw, beyond beautiful, and we literally can't wait to go back. So let's get into the rating. First up, price for value, 5 out of 5. So based on when we stayed there, the nightly rate was $200 per night for 2 guests and $250 per night for 4 guests with a minimum of 3 nights. That, in my opinion, is definitely worth the penthouse and oceanfront views along with the pool and beautiful surroundings. Location, 5 out of 5. So the Waves Penthouse is located in Tower Isle, St. Mary, and it's approximately 10 minutes from Ocho Rios Center, where you can find Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Margarita Vale, and many more. I've actually always considered Tower Isle to be a great location because it's a bit more affordable, yet it's still very close to the heart of the excitement, so it's a great location. Food and chef, 4 out of 5. So as I mentioned earlier, we spent a lot of time in the kitchen as a chef isn't included in the booking, but we did have all we needed at our disposal. So what we did was brought our own groceries. My husband cooked breakfast and I was on dinner duty. We really enjoyed our time together cooking, so we didn't really venture out for food. However, there are some good restaurants nearby. Round of applause for these home cooked meals that we made. Design and cleanliness, 5 out of 5. So as I mentioned, I really loved the layout of the home and I thought that everything flowed very well. The choice of furniture and decor was also beautiful and definitely complemented the space. In terms of cleanliness, we were definitely pleased with the cleaning service that was provided. Daily housekeeping is not included here. Service and communication, 5 out of 5. So firstly, moving forward, I've decided to join these together since they definitely go hand in hand. Both the service and level of communication at the Waves Penthouse was exceptional. The owner and host, Terrian, is beyond sweet and was extremely responsive to every question or concern that I had. From the personalized welcome on the bed to the handwritten notes on arrival, she definitely went above and beyond. Amazing service. And the overall score, 24 out of 25. Would I go back? Definitely. Again, a huge thank you to the Waves for hosting us. The link to book the property can be found in the description below for anyone interested. Be sure to check it out, guys. I can't see how you would regret this one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. If you loved it, please share and turn on your post notifications. On to the next pursuit. Thank you so much for watching.